Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox using your keyboard. To move your character, simply use the W, A, S, and D keys. W moves you forward, S moves you backward, A moves you left, and D moves you right. Your mouse is essential for looking around and controlling the camera's perspective. When you need to jump, just press the spacebar. These fundamental controls will get you started on your Roblox adventures, allowing for basic navigation and exploration within any game. Beyond basic movement, Roblox offers more dynamic actions. To sprint and move quickly across the map, simply hold down the Shift key while using your movement keys. For more tactical play, pressing the Control key will make your character crouch or even crawl, perfect for hiding or navigating tight spots. When you encounter interactive elements in the game, like doors or items, look for a prompt and press the E key to interact with them. These actions add depth to your gameplay. Controlling your camera view is crucial for an immersive Roblox experience. You can easily zoom in and out by using your mouse's scroll wheel, giving you a wider or closer perspective. Many games allow you to switch between a first-person view, where you see through your character's eyes, and a third-person view, which shows your character on screen. To freely rotate your camera without affecting your character's movement, simply hold down the right mouse button and drag. This offers great flexibility. Communication and game management are also key aspects of playing Roblox. To chat with other players, simply press the / key, which will open the chat window where you can type your messages. If you need to adjust your game settings, leave the game, or access other important options, press the Escape key to bring up the main Roblox menu. You can then navigate these menus using your mouse or your keyboard's arrow keys to make your selections. These tools are vital for a complete experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.